Go on, slide there. So come here. It's raining, it's wet, and what's the story? You don't care?
We don't care.
We don't care. Go on, do the slide.
We don't care because we're having fun! That's proper about to be wet!
So you don't care about getting wet? Nope.
Nope.
Nope. Well, you've got an umbrella. That's really funny. An umbrella on a trampoline. Oh, that makes perfect sense. Yeah.
Trampoline and umbrella, bad idea.
Bad idea. Actually, bad idea. Bad idea. Definitely bad idea. Bad idea. I think it was funny. Now let's remove the umbrella.